Why things melt. What is the reason behind melting? Let's explore this phenomenon based on Walter Russell's principle in nature. When we observe a material melting, it happens because the physical structure of the atoms that make up that material undergoes change due to change in pressure. All forms in nature are based upon two-way motion of breathing in and breathing out cycle. They breathe in and breathe out. This two-way cycle can also be called a wave cycle, for all motion in nature are based upon wave motion. They breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. When matter breathes in and reaches its point of highest pressure, its charge intensifies. And as charge increases, the opposing discharge also increases, because both actions and reactions occur simultaneously in nature. This rising charge multiplies the radial motion that shapes matter. When this happens, spherical bodies naturally tend to form, as they are the balanced result of inward action and outward reaction. In this spherical form, matter begins to disintegrate, because reactions can more easily take place due to wider spaces between particles. They can slip past one another more easily. When atoms turn cold as they expand during the outward journey of the breathing out cycle, the breathing in phase eventually begins to dominate again, causing the atoms to attract. The atoms still push each other away even as they attract, because all action and reaction in nature happen simultaneously. So as they breathe in, they also breathe out in lesser extent. This outward pushing force creates a flat plane between two masses. This flat plane is what we observe in crystallized bodies. Observe, for example, what happens when a centering spherical body attracts 6 more toward its center. A cube will be formed. This form is the strongest among crystal structures because the tight spaces between the atoms make it difficult for reactions to take place, which leads to a stronger bond between the atoms. Now, someone may ask if we necessarily need heat to melt a material. The straight answer is not necessarily. As long as we can bring the atomic structures into their corresponding spherical state through high pressure charging, we can weaken their bonds and reorganize the material into a desired shape. Even the impact of a hammer can be considered as high-pressure charge. Based on Walter Russell's concept, when particles approach each other, they charge each other. This high-pressure discharge causing the atoms to push each other away, breaking the bond. If you're wondering how ancient builders seem to melt huge blocks of stone and fit them perfectly into place, the truth is, we still don't know the exact answer. But I'm certain that this universal principle will eventually lead us to the answers we're searching for. Stay tuned for more.